Hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time we did a microwave and I still owe you the video of the micro scrapping of the value parts that were coming out of the microwave. In this video you will see all the small things that have a little bit of value, and we will micro scrap this so we can deliver this to the metal companies. So, I'm sorry people, I just didn't want you to hear all the noise because it was literally hammer time. It was a pain in my beep, 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 beep. You know, it's just, but it doesn't matter. We got the copper. And it's a lot. It's a lot. You see? It's big fellas. It's very nice. I really like this. Normally I don't have this much. Oh, for the ones that you see. What you see here, I hammered my ass off. So it's just normally it's sitting like this. And the copper is in between there. So what I told you is when you hit this one, the welding, and the other side, it will break. It will give you, it will take some effort, but you will get there. So, you know, it will take some energy, but this is worth it. You know, I don't know, maybe you have, I don't know, half a kilogram. In good times, not now, now it's like €6 a kilo. But in good times it will be like 8. I save it for that moment. Then I will sell my copper, not sooner, or because it's just, you know, it's like, I don't know, it's going up and down, and lately it's only going down and down and down, you know. So I don't know, just wait for the moment to sell your copper and your brass. Just wait. Just put it somewhere in cases or something. Just put it there. If you don't need it, you know. If you need it, just sell it. You know, I can't talk about everybody because, you know, some people live day by day. But if you want to earn some extra money, just save it for the right time to sell. You know, it's just save it. You know, the scrapping companies are doing the same. They buy it from you for low, and they just wait to get a better price, and then they will sell it. And there it is, lovely, cleanish copper. Just put it with the other copper. Then let's do the big fella. It's like Christmas, you know, like getting presents in this case. Like what you did last time. Yeah, we'll take some copper, you know. Just take some things off. Was a nice surprise. Huh? It's just having a nice conversation, you know. Like, what you did? Yeah, just getting some copper, getting some money. I will put this in the cable. Just put it in the cable. So that's what you're hearing all the time when I'm getting the steel off. You know, and this is another piece of very nice copper. Again, normally it's not this much copper. Normally it's aluminum and copper, or aluminum. So this one was a surprise. I like it. And this will be, if you have a good one, what you will be end with. So what you can see here is here you got the cable. You can put this in your electric motors. The yellow brass or yellow copper, red copper, the aluminum, and two little prints. So at this moment I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please push the button to like and subscribe so we can go through with our channel. Thank you, have a nice day. See you later.